Welcome everybody again. In this movie I'm going to illustrate how this hand cycle can be taken apart for transport purposes. If one does this on your own, you sort of have to be a bit like an octopus with multiple hands and feet. It would be easier with somebody else, but it can be done alone. I'll try and demonstrate how this works. There's basically 4 bolts that need to be taken out, and yeah, the rest will be visuals in this movie. Alright, so now basically taken out 4 bolts and washers. And there we go. As one can see, 2 pieces, if that makes it easier for transportation purposes, and then putting it back together is the opposite way around.